Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I'll be doing a walkthrough on the 7mm undated planners. So let's get started. Okay, here we'll go through the images first and then we'll come back to the features and also some of the cover designs, planner cover designs that are available. Let's go through the images first. So here we have, I really love the colors that they have used in the planner, and the designs are just so minimal and nice. I just love that about this planner. I wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, so this is the goal setting page. I absolutely love this. I just love, like I said, the designs and the colors that are used in this planner. I feel it's enough to make the planner look pretty, but at the same time, it's quite minimal and nice so that in case we want to use any decorative elements like stickers, washi tapes, and other journaling supplies, I think it's gonna end up looking really good. And what I love about this goal setting spread is that you have your sections here, the headers. I feel you can easily replace, just use a whiteout and you can replace it. I think we can rename this section and then set a goal. What I really like to do is in each area of my life, I just like to focus on one particular goal, and then I want to break that goal into different steps. So anything that I'm working on, I sort of want myself to lead up to that main goal that I have set. This just helps me to keep my focus on one thing. Whatever I'm doing, I'm making sure that I don't get distracted away from that goal. And that is where this picture really comes in handy. Not picture, sorry, this spread, because you can break down the main goals into different milestones, or like smaller goals, and then add them here. So I love this spread too. And yes, guys, I am making a note of all the planner spreads that I'm really liking in the walkthroughs that I'm doing, and you guys wanted me to do a video on all the best spreads. I will do it soon. I just wanted to finish the walkthrough videos first, and I think I will be done with the walkthroughs like probably sometime next week. End of next week, I'll be receiving all the other planners that I have ordered, and trust me, there are lots and lots of unboxing review to do about, like the exciting videos. So I want to get through these walkthroughs first, and then I will do a video on the best planner spreads. Let me just make a note of that. So we have this spread, which is really handy. And how about the next image? Here you go. And then you have a couple of gratitude sections. I love their cover, not the monthly cover pages. They're quite good. I'm really liking them. You can see some more here. It's just so simple and nice. And one more thing, really exciting thing that I want to share with you guys is that it has the weekly planning and the weekly reflection pages. I love this. I'd gotten a few comments about like finding alternate planners to Inkbucket, but that has the weekly reflection. I totally get you, because one of the reasons I really loved Inkbucket previously and why it ended up working out for me is because of the weekly reflections, and I see that here, which is awesome. Honestly, I really regret not considering the 7mm planner as for my main planner while I was doing while I was making purchases for 2023 planners. I really regret that. I had done a walkthrough on their planners last year, but I just completely skipped out of my mind. Or you know what? I honestly thought that Inkbucket has never really like missed the mark, so I didn't really consider other planners as my main planner. But anyways, coming back to this, I feel this would act as a great replacement for that, because you have all those essential details in here, like things you accomplished for the week, challenges you faced, little things that made you happy, you practice self-love by, you're rating like different aspects, and then you have the weekly gratitude section, which is awesome. One more thing that I want to show you here is the weekly planning page. You see your top 3 priorities, focus of the week, excited about, positive affirmation. I think this is the essence that's gone out of Think Pocket Planner. I see a lot of trackers and all that, which is not personally my preference. So all of those things you can find in the 7mm planner, which is really good. And also the daily sections, you get a lot more space. Each page is split into 2 days, and you can also see that it's divided into plain as well as dot grid, which is kind of nice. Lines, I feel lines are good, provided you just want to make a list, or you want to journal or things like that. I do prefer having lines in my journal, in my planner that I use as a journal. So I get that, but in case you're okay with like having this freedom, this will really allow you to do mind maps. It'll allow you to doodle. It'll allow you to add stickers however you want to. But you can also make lists. That is also possible, and you can journal in here too, if you don't really need the lined pages. So I'm really liking that about this planner. Then coming to the monthly spreads, this is how it looks like. It's just so minimal, nice. I really like it. And each month you have this called as monthly tip. So each month is something different that they give. And then it's a Monday start, which I really like also because it's undated. Even if it was a Sunday start, I could have used a whiteout and replaced it. Or if you are someone who prefers their planners, monthly planners, to start on a Monday, you can do that too. And then you have a little mini habit tracker here. Personally, this is not something that I like, but because it's little and nice, it's all right. It's not the grid format that it takes away from the spread. I really like how minimal and classy it looks. So yeah, the colors are pretty and just really nice. And then you have another section that I wanted to show you. Yeah. This one you see here, it says tiny aspirations, where they have given a few things that you can do. And then you have the stickers that they offer, again cute stickers. And then this page too, what is this? Yeah, self-care list on 7 facts about yourself. So little tiny activities, which is awesome. And this has 100 GSM paper. 100 GSM is good. I think it's pretty good. Even the 90 GSM one, the India 365 planner, honestly that's pretty nice too. I don't really have any complaints. Hardbound matte laminated with gold foil accents. Then it's undated, so you can start using it. I think this is going to be great for students or for work as well, because it's undated and you don't really need to wait for a certain month to start using it. And then you have some fun exercises and prompts, vision board, 12 monthly planners, bucket list, 52 weeks, then habit tracker, daily to do checklists, 3 full colored sticker pages, back pocket ribbon bookmark, additional notes pages. Yep, these are the notes pages that they have, which is nice. Then weekly reflection and gratitude, minimal layout with fun illustrations and quotes, then full color quote pages. I loved this. I love this. I'm really bummed out that I did not consider purchasing the 7mm planner as my main one. But anyways, there's always a next time, so that's okay. Okay, but one thing that I want to show you here is this is from a website called as the Style Salad, and the price is 2124. But I ended up finding another website, which is the mangostationery.com, where the planner you can buy it at 1800, and also all of the cover designs are available here. So this one is Happy Mind Happy Life, which is cute. Shine Pride, I really liked this one too. And then Live Your Best Life, I like this too. It's quite simple, and the florals are really cute. And then this one is the stripes that says be happy, be bright, be you. I think I like these two more than the other ones. So in case you really like this planner, I'd suggest you to wait for a bit, because 7mm had mentioned that they're going to launch their 2023 collection in December. So since we are in December now, they might do it any day, and I'd feel like you should consider that one before you decide to make a purchase. This this is available on this website, and I'm hoping it is going to be even after they launch their 2023 collection. So whichever you like, you can pick that up. For me, I feel like I should have considered this. I feel like I should have considered this, but you know what? There's always a next time. I'm gonna wait for their 2023 launch and see how that is. If I really like it, I might end up buying it, but you know what, there are like so many planners that I've already purchased and they're coming up next week, and I don't think I have space for another one. But the way I'm convincing myself is because this is undated, you know, I can use it anytime, or like probably for next year. Let's see how that goes. I'll be excited to do a review or like a walkthrough on that as soon as they launch it. And yeah, guys, this is the video. Let me know what you think about this planner. Do you feel like this is going to be a great replacement for the ink bucket one, or are you happy with that itself? So yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.